I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you my classic beef stroganoff. This dish, guys, is so delicious. I have prepared it my way, so I hope you will enjoy it as you try it. So let's get right into it. You know Mama B doesn't like to waste time. On a medium-high heat, I have my skillet going on. Into my skillet, I have about 2 tablespoons of canola oil along with 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna let it get hot before I add my beef strips. So make sure, guys, when you add your beef strips, you don't crowd them so they can have a room to sear perfectly. Also in the background, I have my egg noodles boiling to serve them along with the beef stroganoff. I'm gonna cook my beef strips 3 minutes per side. Season the beef strips with black pepper and salt. Do not add too much salt as we have some ingredients that have high content of sodium already. Now we're gonna add some onions and let them cook until translucent. I'm gonna also add about 1 tablespoon of garlic. Then I'm gonna mix everything together. I'm gonna cook this for 3 minutes. This dish is so easy and quick to make. I still think the less time it takes to prepare, the better. Next, I'm gonna add baby bella mushrooms. Then I'm gonna let them cook for 5 minutes. I'm gonna add red wine. I will let it cook until it reduces to nothing. It smells so good in here, guys. Okay, now the wine has reduced to nothing. Now it's time to add cream of mushroom. Along with that, I'm gonna add onion soup. I'm using Lipton, guys. Then I'm gonna add beef broth. I'm gonna mix everything together and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add sour cream. Mix well until combined. Now our dish is ready. I have my egg noodle pasta on my plate. Now I'm gonna top it with the stroganoff. Then I'm gonna put a dollop of sour cream and finish off with chives. Guys, you got to try this recipe. It's so good. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Please share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. And for my